Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Christmas ornaments like these. I hope that you love the video. The items you'll need to make your Christmas ornament are a photograph, a pen, a single hole punch, a pipe cleaner, and an ornament hook. I took this photograph using a Polaroid Instax Mini, but you can use any kind of picture as long as it's printed on sturdy paper. The first thing I'm going to do is use the marker to write the year along the bottom of the photograph. And then I'm going to use the single hole punch to make holes along the sides of the photograph and one at the top. The next thing I'm going to do is turn the photograph over and take the pipe cleaner and thread the ends so that they're coming from the back through to the front, like that. And I'm going to pull them all the way through and adjust them so I have about the same length of pipe cleaner on both sides. Then I'm going to go through each hole and I'm going to go from the back to the front. I'm going to take the ends of the pipe cleaner and bend them behind the photograph and kind of twist them together so that that part won't show from the front of the ornament. And then I'm just going to slip the ornament hook into the hole at the top. And the ornament is ready to get hung up on a tree. I hope that you enjoyed learning how to make the ornament and that you enjoy hanging it on your Christmas tree for many years to come. That's all that I have for you today, but I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.